Hey, good morning, people. It's a beautiful day here in South Central Pennsylvania. A beautiful spring morning. We have a white pine log set up here ready to go. The chainsaw is sharpened and ready to go. We're going to do a carving of a mature bald eagle with a trout in its talons. Hope you enjoy the video and watch till the end and see the outcome of it. And make sure you check out my Facebook page, Original Art by Randy Pieller. Make sure you press the like button and share with all your friends. And you all have a good day, and God bless, and thanks for checking us out.